Hey everybody, Fun Stampers Journey Coach Janice Whiting here. I am coach number 33 and I am an executive manager with the company. I am excited today because gosh, it has been a while. I always seem to get on a roll and then life gets going. I don't know if you guys know, but I work a full-time job. I'm a teacher. And then of course I've got my kids and my husband and all of my church activities. And so my Fun Stampers journey, which is like my heart, sometimes doesn't always get to be put up front where I'd love it to be, but that's okay. I've got some time this weekend, and so I'm excited to shoot a few more videos for you. For today, or for this particular one, I was thinking about how I have a feeling that most of you guys probably don't know what our Coach Collective is. Now, if you've gone to my blog and you've kind of scoped things out here and there, and then you might have come across a little deal called Coach Collective. And so I want to take a minute and I wanted to explain that to you. So basically, it is 12 of us Fun Stampers Journey coaches. I believe it's 12. We got together and we create a project and a tutorial each month. And sometimes they're themed and sometimes it's completely grab bag type. But we get together, we make the projects, they're exclusive, okay? So we make a PDF of the project, so it's all in color, the instructions are nice and easy to follow, and you have 12 projects in one PDF using our Fun Stampers Journey products, and it's super inspiring. Every time I get to see a sneak peek of what the other ladies are creating, I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this. There's so many talented coaches that are in this collective. And so I want to share it with you. So I've shared it with you on my blog. If you've gone there, you've seen it. And this past month, we created a little video montage of our projects because normally we just give sneak peeks. So you actually don't even get to see the projects. But moving forward, we're going to do a little video montage of each project. So you'll get to see exactly what you are getting instructions for. Now, the deal is it's not free. It's $15. So you pay $15 for this little PDF. Again, it's 12 projects, instructions on how to create each one, a list of all of the products you need to create them. There's picture step out tutorials for it. So you'll always be able to follow it exactly as it's shown. And if for some reason you have a question about a particular project, all of the coaches' information is there. So you can contact them directly and be like, hey, on this project, I wasn't sure how you did this. But generally speaking, the step-by-step instructions are really clear. So it'll help you to know how to put the project back together. So anyway, so hopefully you are going to grab one this month. It's a month-to-month thing. It's not a subscription or anything. You just go to my blog and you click on the Buy Now button for that particular month, and then it'll shoot me an email. And then once I receive that email, I will send you the PDF for the month, and you can purchase it at any point throughout the month. And I have a page on my blog where you can purchase previous months, so that's kind of fun too. What I wanted to do is I wanted to show you this month's card. Can I do that? So this month, obviously it's February, so the month of love, and so a lot of our cards were Valentine's themed. So let me go ahead and show you mine. Now, I will say that I created mine, and it's fairly a simple technique, but I hope you love the design. I hope you love the colors, because that's kind of what I really loved about it. So here's mine. As you can see already, it's that I'm using our very awesome Miracle paper, which is like shining everywhere. So hopefully that's not blinding you. Let me turn it this way, I guess. And then up close, look at those beautiful colors. I love our reds. Our reds are awesome. We have so many beautiful, beautiful reds. And of course, there's our lovely bubblegum pink in the middle. Anyway, so there is the card for this month, and I have a step-by-step tutorial in my Coach Collective, and that's just one out of the 12 cards. And I will say it's not always just cards. I'm trying to think right now. There's a cute little decorative home decor piece in there. I believe there's a couple of different treat boxes in there. So if you are trying to get ideas for maybe a Valentine's event treat box or goodie bag for your kids, or maybe a teacher gift or anything like that, then this is a collective to purchase, okay? So here's what you do. You go to janicecreates.com. So www.janicecraze.com. Then up at the top, there's little links, and click on the link that says Coach Collective, all right? And once you go there, you'll have the button, says Click Now button. And I believe too that the particular blog post that's up right now is Coach Collective. So you won't see this card, but you'll see a little sneak peek of all the other projects in there. And maybe what I can do is I can put in the link for that video as well. Now, of course, you can also go to my Facebook page, my Facebook business page, and check out the video there because I've put it there as well. But you'll need to purchase through my blog, all right? Okay, I think that's it for Coach Collective. Hopefully I've explained it well. And if you are interested, just again, head over to that blog, click on the Buy Now button for the month of February. Or if you like the other months, then it doesn't matter, those are available too. Okay, I think that's it, guys. All right, I have a few other things going on, some more videos to shoot, so stay tuned for more. Bye.